Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can convert your Facebook profile into page. So in order to do that, you'll have to get to the professional account of your Facebook. In order to do that, simply open your Facebook application, make sure that you're logged into your account. So from here you can simply tap on the menu bar right here, and then you can tap on your profile right here. So after doing that, here you can see the three-dot bar. Simply tap on it, and after doing that, here you'll get the option of turn on professional mode. Tap on it and then tap on turn on. So after doing that, tap on next, again next, and here you can select public if you like, but if you only want your account to be within your friends, you can do that, or either you can customize it. Again, tap on next. And then here you can see all of the informations. Then you'll have to do confirm. So tap on confirm. And then from here again, tap on next. And finally tap on next. After doing that, here you can see you have now successfully converted your normal profile into professional profile. So after doing that, you can tap on go to professional dashboard right here and view your professional dashboard from here. And just like this, you'll be able to convert your normal account into a page. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.